Good morning, students. I J Kumar once again before you with today's topic, and our today's topic is NCERT numericals related to average atomic mass. My dear students, average atomic mass is considered in case of element that exist in isotopic forms. So you have to keep in your mind the average atomic mass of an element is considered in case of element that exist in isotopic forms. So this is the topic of today, how to calculate the average atomic mass. So students, from one example we will try to understand the topic, and question I have taken from your NCERT exercise. Question is, if bromine atom is available in the form of say two isotopes, one is bromine whose mass is 79 and atomic number is 35, and this bromine, this isotopic bromine is available in our nature in 49.7%, and another isotope of bromine which atomic mass is 81 and atomic number is 35 is available 50.3% in our nature. Then question is, calculate the average atomic mass of bromine atom. So here you are looking, bromine element exists in two isotopic forms, means two isotopes exist of bromine. One atom of bromine is such that whose atomic mass is 79 and another bromine whose atomic mass is 81. And these two isotopes of bromine in our nature available in percentage of 49.7% and 50.3%. Then what will be average atomic mass of bromine atom? So you keep in your mind, to find the average atomic mass, this formula you can use, and formula is average atomic mass is equal to mass of one of the isotope multiply its percentage plus mass of another isotope multiply its percentage divided by 100. And in this way, average atomic mass is calculated. Right? Now in this formula, we will put the given value of the two isotopes of bromine. So mass of one of the isotope is 79. So here 79 multiply its percentage 49.7 plus mass of another isotope 81 multiply its percentage 50.3 divided by 100. Now if you multiply 49.7 from 79, you get 3926.3 plus if you multiply 81 from 50.3, you will get 4074.3 divided by 100, and by adding both of these we get 8000.6 divided by 100. Now if 8000.6 you divide by 100, the answer comes 80.006. As this is the mass of bromine atom, so unit AMU or U you have to write. So in this way, the answer of this question is 80.006 AMU, and this is the average atomic mass of bromine. Okay. So this is very important question, and from the chapter structure of atom, this question is very important. So you have to learn here, and in this way, average atomic mass, in this way you will calculate the average atomic mass. Now students, one more question I am going to put before you, and this is also related from average atomic mass, but it is different from this first question that we solved here. And second question is from NCERT. Question is the average atomic mass, the average atomic mass of a sample of an element X, element is here X, is 16.2 AME. What are the question is now, what are the percentages of isotopes X, 16, 8 and 18X, 8 in the sample. Students, what you are looking here in this question, you have not to find out the average atomic mass. Here average atomic mass has been given. Average atomic mass has been given 16.2. So here average atomic mass has been given, and what way you can calculate the average atomic mass? So average atomic mass 16.2 U. Now you have to calculate the percentage of the isotopes of X and percentage of the isotopes of mass 18. You have to calculate. Okay? So students, to solve this question, we will start here by let one of the isotope be X, then another will be 100 minus X. Okay? So to solve this question, here we will start, let the percentage of 16X8 be X, then percentage of 18X8 be 100 minus X. 100 minus X. Okay? Now we know average atomic mass is equal to mass of the one of the isotope. So mass of one of the isotope is 16. Multiply its percentage. Percentage we have let here X. So 16 multiply X plus mass of another isotope which is 18 here. So 18 multiply its percentage. So its percentage we have taken here 100 minus X. 100 minus X divided by 100. Okay? Now students, average atomic mass has been given here. So we write here 16.2 multiply equal to, now you have to multiply 16 from x, so 16x plus you have to multiply 18 from 100, so 1800 minus 18x divided by 100. Now students, this 100 if you bring in this side, it will be multiplied from 16.2. So 16.2 multiply 100 equal to, now student, this is plus 16x, this is minus 18x, so this will be minus 2x plus 1800. Now if you multiply this, you will get 1620 equal to 2x minus 2x plus 1800, or if you bring this 1800 to the left side, it will become minus, so 1620 minus 1800 equal to minus 2x, or if you calculate, it will come minus 180 equal to minus 2x. This minus cancel, or x equal to 180 by 2 equal to 90. So here the value of x comes 90. It means percentage of 16x8 equal to x equal to 90%, and percentage of 18x8 is 100 minus x, so 100 minus 90 equal to 10%. So this is the answer. Percentage of one of the isotope will be 90% and another isotope will be 10%. So these two questions from this chapter are very important, and you must revise it so that you can solve these questions if asked in your examination. Okay, thank you very much.